Hi everyone. For my book, I chose this picture book, God Gave Us Sleep. It's written by Lisa Tawn Berggren. This comes from a series of books that she wrote for preschoolers and early elementary age children, God Gave Us series. In this book, the bear family, Mama Bear has just called little Cub to come in for bed, and she does not want to come in for bed. She is too busy playing building an igloo with her friends. Mama Bear convinces little Cub that it is time, that we need to have rhythm in our lives. There's time for work, there's time for play, and there's time for sleep, and that God wants us to rest. So little Cub comes in the house reluctantly, asking if her twin cub siblings have already gone to sleep, and Mama Bear has reassured her that they have been asleep for an hour, and that every bear needs sleep. And little Bear says, even you? Even Papa? So little Cub has decided it's time to go to bed. She goes through all of the litany of excuses that all little children do. I need a glass of water. I need a story read. I need a prayer. What if I have bad dreams? She's so concerned. So Mama Bear consoles her and tells her that she should think of good, happy thoughts so that she doesn't have bad dreams. So little Cub gets all tucked in, but she isn't going to sleep. She tosses and she turns and she flips and she flops. She finally goes to sleep, but she doesn't sleep for very long. In the morning, little Cub tells Mama that she has not had a good night's sleep. She was up too late thinking about all the good thoughts and all the good things that she was going to do the next day. Well, after breakfast, little Cub goes outside to play with her friends, and she is still tired from the day before. She has a bad day. She is not happy with her friends, and she is not happy with anything that happens. Finally, at dinner time, little Cub comes in and tells Mama that she has had a terrible day, and Mama Bear tells her that it's because she did not get enough rest. And she sings a little song to her, and she says, it's a rhythm like a song, yes. Work and rest, play and rest, work and rest, play and rest. Mama Bear said, dancing with her, that's how it's supposed to go. So they drag through dinner, and they drag through doing the dishes, and pretty soon Papa Bear says that it's prayer time. They have a family prayer, and off to bed with little Cub. Little Cub goes right to sleep this evening because she is so tired. And she dreams all wonderful dreams. And in the morning she wakes up all refreshed and happy and ready to go, and she's even happy with that pesky otter that gives her so much trouble. She is so glad that God gave her a good night's sleep. As I said before, this is a picture book. There are more pictures than there are words, and the pictures are done in beautiful watercolors. There's a nice message to this story. It would make a great bedtime story for any of your young preschoolers or kindergarten, first grade children. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for listening.